Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab Active3 and I'll show you how to hide apps on this device. First, hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap to the settings, and here you'll see hide apps on home and app screens. Just select applications which you want to hide, and now they are here on this left section of your home screen in hide and app section. Then just tap to done, and that's it. Also, you could unhide them by the same way, just by hold for a while home screen and go to the settings, or also you could just open the settings app, scroll down to the home screen, find hide apps on home screen, and just to remove them from here or to add here new applications. Then just tap to done to save the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.